Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Hope everyone is healthy and strong and preparing for Christmas and preparing for what comes afterwards, because we know that it's going to be rough afterwards. I have heard rumors that some food prices will increase and some will decrease. Well, yeah, probably what will increase is meat and vegetables and dairy, I guess. I don't know what the third one was, I can't remember. But they're claiming what will decrease are pantry staples like flour and coffee. Well, that is so high right now that any decrease that I expect to see will likely be minimal. I don't really expect to see much of a decrease anywhere across the board. And what I find really terrible is that I used to buy these 1 liter bottle of olive oil, and on sale I used to be able to get those for $5 consistently. And now, wow, Walmart has them priced on sale for $9. That's their sale price. Regular, over $12. And I'm like, oh, the world has gone mad. Absolutely mad. Food prices are still going through the roof. And you know what? I have this turkey in this freezer that's been there for a while, and that's what Mark and I are going to cook up for Christmas this year for us and whatever guests we decide to invite on Christmas Day, since we're going to be home Christmas Day. Now, after that, I'm not quite sure what's going on. And on a personal level, I've had a bit of rough news today, totally unexpected. One of my very closest friends, who I haven't seen in a long time because she moved out west, she lives in Alberta. Sorry, she lives in Vancouver. Another friend of ours that contacted me to let me know lives in Alberta. And apparently my friend has passed away. And I just got a quick note this morning telling me that, wondering if I knew, telling me that all she knew was that it was quick and unexpected, and she really doesn't know too much. Now, this girl that passed away was one of my closest friends. I mean, her and her sister, the two of them, and me. So we were the three. I mean, her younger sister was the crazy one that I actually hung out with the most, but the older sister, who was exactly my age actually, was the more stable, shall I say, one of the two. Now the younger one did pass away years ago, and now her sister has followed her. So that whole family is gone. Mom and Dad and the 3 girls are all gone. The youngest one passed away long ago, tragically. But there are 3 nieces that were left behind, and I've been on Facebook trying to track them down. I did track them down. I hate Facebook, sorry. Some people still really like it, but I've never liked Facebook. So, and I've never been on LinkedIn, and one of them is on LinkedIn, so I'm not going to join just to get a hold of them. But I've also placed a call into my friend in Alberta to try and get more details, and I'm waiting for a call back from her. I'm sure she'll find out all the details and what's going on. And unfortunately, it's about 3,000 miles away, and it's the wrong time of year for me to go out there. So too much going on here, too many issues that I have to contend with financially as well, that a trip out there, I would prefer to have gone prior if there was any indication that something would happen. I mean, that's what I did with her younger sister. We knew that her younger sister was in the hospital and had cancer, as well as a few. She's always had other issues. But I went to visit her prior to her passing, and it was maybe months or a year later when she actually did pass. And I was contacted, and at that point, I really saw no value in going out. To me, the value was in seeing that individual and spending time with them and doing whatever you can for them while they're still alive. So unfortunately, I had no idea that the other sister had any issues whatsoever. Maybe she didn't. Maybe it was all totally accidental, because my other friend has suggested that it was quick and unexpected, and she didn't know anything either. And she was a lot closer than being in Alberta. I think she used to go visit the, they used to get together a little more often. I think it was a quick trip. Probably a long drive, but still much shorter than coming from Ontario. So yeah, that's what I was dealing with this morning, struggling with the idea of trying to locate the nieces and any other family members. And there used to be family members in Toronto, but aunts and uncles and that, but cousins. And unfortunately, people just move away, and haven't been able to reach anyone else at this point. So I'm sure my friend will give me a call today and let me know what's going on. And in all respects, I'm sad. I'm not devastated, but I was a little bit shocked, and definitely sad to hear that she's gone. And all I can say is, honey, until we meet again, because we'll see you on the other side sometime. And I don't think it's going to be that long. I mean, at our age, okay, yes, it can be considered fairly long, but probably not. In the scheme of things, it's minutes and hours. So, but meanwhile, I have babies and grandbabies. My babies are always my babies. It doesn't matter how old they get, they'll always be my babies. And my focus is on them this year and for the next little while, and to do whatever I can for them for the season, and to bring cheer and happiness and a helping hand and whatever is required. And then Mark and I, we have our own plans. If any of it comes to fruition, wonderful. We'll let you know. And if it doesn't, there's no point in even thinking about it or talking about it. But we'll see what the new year brings. Hopefully we are looking for a change in the new year, but we'll just have to see where that all pans out. Anyway, short little video today. Really not all that inclined to do too much of anything else at this point. So I'm going to get my housework done. I'm going to see if I feel a little bit better lately and do some baking. And if I do, I'll do that. Otherwise, yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now.